Take a ride in the 2021 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, rear step bumper, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.